What's up, creators? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you one simple hack that can help you make your Instagram stories cooler, doper, and just more stylish for your followers to enjoy. All right, this hack is dope. So whether you want to take a picture or capture a video through the Instagram app, or you want to import a dope photo from your camera maybe onto your IG story, you can do either of these and make this happen. All right, so we're gonna go to the story. I'm just gonna import in a dope image, and if you click up here on your features for your Instagram stories, you can scroll down and there's a spot where you can import images. Let's click that. So as you can see right here, there's a couple different icons and words down below. You can create these from scratch and you can import them to sit over top of your image just like this, and it just makes the story doper. I've created this one from scratch. This is gratitude. This is for me personally, but I'm gonna include this for a free download down below so you can use it if you want, just because it's cool and it relates to everybody. You're showing gratitude and I just like it a lot. So you can scale it up, and it's made as a PNG, so there's no background, and you can basically place it however you want on any image just to spice it up, and it just looks cooler now. You can make it straight, you can make it in the center, you can make it bigger. It just looks dope, and you can make your own custom ones. I've also made a pack of words and icons for myself, which I've included down in the description, a link to it if you want to go check it out, which I'll be using on future IG stories for myself, like new post, new video, new photo, likes, and many more. So I just think this is so dope. You can move it all around like that, but I want to show you how you can make your own custom icons and words for your own Instagram stories. So let's jump on the computer and let me show you that right now. This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Before I show you how you can make your own Instagram story assets, let me tell you about Envato Elements. They also have some really cool icons that are already designed and saved as PNG files where you can download and use in your Instagram stories as well. Simply download them, bring them into Photoshop, and customize them for your use, or just send them to your phone and use them on your IG stories as is. Envato Elements isn't only a place to download icons either, bro. They're the one-stop shop with millions of assets for any creator. They offer quality stock footage, video templates, music, and much more. I personally love some of the overlays that they offer. Like, you can use these to transition video clips together. You can get unlimited access to everything they offer by simply clicking that link down below in my description and becoming a better video creator right now. I'm telling you, don't procrastinate. All right, cool. So we got a 1080 by 1920, which is 1920 by 1080. Turned to the side in vertical. Image right here set up, and I got a picture fitting perfect in it for our IG story. I'm gonna grab the text tool and I'm gonna make a quick little word text. I'm gonna just say mellow, and I'm gonna make it into like a text. I'm gonna show you how to save it so you can use it on your Instagram stories as an icon or an import. So let's make this about like 50. Let's center it, and let's do that. That looks cool. What can we do to make it a little different? I'm gonna take this lasso tool and I'm gonna go through this like this. Select that part. Come over here, right click on mellow, rasterize. I'm gonna hit Command C to copy this part that the lasso selected. Then I'm gonna hit delete so that it's gone. Command D to deselect, Command V to paste. So now we've taken it off like that and made this little cool looking effect in the word mellow. Take both of these layers and highlight them, right click, merge layers. Now we can move this anywhere we want on here, and now it's kind of like a icon, just like we talked about. So basically I'm gonna highlight that layer of the mellow. I'm also gonna hit Command and highlight the background. I'm gonna come up to the top right here and I'm gonna click horizontal center align, and the same for vertical, so it centers it right in the middle of the image. Let's hit the eyeball to take off the background, take off the image. Now we have this checkerboard, which means that the background is transparent. There's nothing on the background, so if you save this as a PNG, the background will not be there, and all you will have is that white mellow. So let's do File, Save as a Copy, change the format to PNG. We're gonna change the title of this to mellow. I already got one saved in there, but we're just gonna overwrite it, replace it, and large file size, okay. Now if you got Mac, you can airdrop it to your phone, or you can just send it via email or text, or however you do it. If you have something other than iPhone, I use iPhone. And then let me show you how you use it on Instagram. All right, so here I have that same picture, the mellow imported, and I'm just gonna hit this features button, come down to where you can import an image. I'm gonna import that image, and there it is, perfect. Now you can move this wherever you want on the screen and use it as your own custom little icon. And you can import multiples. You can do multiple of the same or multiple icons that you end up making. I think this looks super dope. So I hope this hack helps you out and helps you make better Instagram stories. If you like this video, slap that like button, drop me a comment and let me know what you think about this. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because I would love to have you here on the channel. There's a couple more videos here on the channel about Instagram hacks and tricks and tips and stuff like that, so you can go check that out at the end of the video. Until next time, peace.